A private oasis in the city offers you a serene lifestyle on more than 3 secluded acres, close to nature parks, Lewis and Clark College, and city conveniences. The long private drive takes you to this peaceful retreat where it's easy to connect with nature. Savor long evenings with friends by the fire pit. Or bring the gathering inside, where you'll discover exquisite craftsmanship throughout this home of more than 3,400 square feet. Gorgeous millwork, wood-wrapped windows, and hydronic radiant heated floors create an inviting living and entertaining space. The one-of-a-kind high-end kitchen features custom floors, a heated island, and an abundance of counter space. From here, head to your wraparound deck for quiet evenings under the stars. Or unwinding in the new cedar hot tub. The large office includes a beautiful built-in marble desk and custom cabinetry. Upstairs, you'll find acacia hardwood floors and an impressive primary suite, complete with an upscale bathroom, heated towel racks, fine finishes, and his and hers closets. The oversized bonus room and art studio with a full bath could be quickly converted to an ADU. Two more bedrooms with abundant closet space and built-in lofts offer endless possibilities. Let the stress of the day melt away in this quiet retreat while taking in all the wildlife, relaxing on the deck, or exploring the property. A gorgeous custom-built home offering a serene lifestyle in the city. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.